The Reichel & Partner Communications Group was founded in Linz in September 1988. Today, it is the 8th largest agency group in Austria, with a fee turnover of 15 million euros and more than 150 permanent employees. We have sites in Linz and Vienna and work as a part of a global network, together with more than 100 independent advertising agencies. Unlike many other advertising agencies, Reichel & Partner has focused on integrated communication concepts from the start. In addition to the Reichel & Partner Advertising Agency, whose core competence lies in the positioning of brands and companies, highly specialized units have been established. The Reichel & Partner Advertising Agency is the heart of the communications group. Our areas of expertise include brand positioning and brand leadership, the development and implementation of communications and creative strategies, as well as customer loyalty programs. Reichel & Partner stands for perfect consultancy, target-orientated creativity, and smooth job processing. Reichel & Partner Advertising Agency, giving you that special something.